In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a Bulgarian split squat with your back foot on a Bosu ball. Now, the whole purpose of this is, as opposed to doing a normal Bulgarian split squat, where you're going to have your foot, specifically your back foot, in a stable position, when I put my back foot on the Bosu ball, I'm not going to have a stable position. The Bosu ball is going to be wobbling, and I've got to make sure that I maintain my balance as I do the exercise. So there's a little bit more proprioception involved when using a Bosu ball. Now, you can do this body weight, or you can decide to use dumbbells. I'd start off with body weight if you've never done it before, get used to the exercise, and then progress from there with weights. So I'm going to stand in front of the Bosu. I'm going to decide what leg is coming forwards. So my feet are narrow here. I bring my right foot back. I'm going to hop out with my left foot to give me enough range of motion to do the exercise. Now, what I want you to look at here is the position of my back. So I'm leaning slightly forwards. If I come into an upright position, what I'm going to find is I'm going to stress my lower back. I'm going to hyperextend it. So my core's braced. I'm leaning slightly forwards. Now look at my right leg. So I'm going to bring my right knee down just like an elevator and back up. So all the motion, I'm thinking about dropping that right knee down. That's also going to bend my left knee and keeping a nice stable position, utilizing my core and squeezing my core as I come down and back up. Once you're done, you would do exactly the same with your left foot in contact with the Bosu ball, and that is how you do a Bulgarian split squat on a Bosu ball.